Okay, happy morning to online video classes. The last class we have seen that what do you mean by rational number and operations on rational number. Today we are going to see representation of rational numbers on a number line. We have learned natural numbers. Natural numbers starts from 1, 2, 3 and endlessly will be going on. Then we can represent in a number line what is given in like that. Then whole numbers starts from 0. Then all the numbers on the right side will be positive. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Set of integers is positive numbers and negative numbers and including 0. First mark 0. Then right side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 etc. And left side will be negative. -1, -2, -3, -4. Now let us see how to represent set of rational numbers on a number line. First you mark it as 0, then 1. Between 0 and 1, infinitely many points are there, and exactly middle will be half. And between 1 and 2, exactly middle will be 1.5. Similarly left side. Now can you say that between 0 and the point O and A, how many points are there on a line segment OA? In a line segment OA, how many points are there? Naturally, it is not countable. It is obvious that between points O and A, infinitely many uncountable points are there. Each point can be represented by a rational number, a unique rational number. Similarly, every rational number represents a unique point. Therefore, we can conclude that between any two rational numbers A and B, we can find uncountable, that is infinitely many rational numbers. Infinitely many rational numbers. According to your wish, you can find out. Now let us move on to the question. Represent the rational numbers 1 by 5, 4 by 5, 5 by 5 that is equal to 1, 8 by 5, 9 by 5 on a number line. We know 5 divided by 5 is 1. We want the number line up to 9 by 5. Therefore, after that 10 divided by 5 will be what? 2. Therefore, up to 10 divided by 5 we have to mark it. Here it involves two steps. All are positive numbers. First draw a number line and mark 0, 1 and 2. As the denominator is 1 and divide the gap from 0 to 1 up to 1, you have to divide into 5 equal parts. Denominator is 5, therefore we have to divide into 5 equal parts including 1. Similarly, you do the division from 1 to 2 including to 5 equal parts. You can count that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we want first 0 by 5, that is 1 divided by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5, 5 divided by 5 that is equal to 1. Then 6 divided by 5, 7 divided by 5, 8 divided by 5, 9 divided by 5, up to 9 divided by 5, and after that what number will come? 10 divided by 5, that is equal to 2. Now you encircle the required rational number. Now the points A, B, C and D represent the rational numbers 4 by 5, 5 divided by 5, 8 by 5 and 9 by 5 respectively. Now let us see one more question for negative rational numbers. Represent the rational numbers -11 by 6, -8 by 6, -3 by 6 and -1 by 6 on a number line. It is negative, therefore you have to draw 0. Left side only you have to mark it. You see, we know -6 divided by 6 is -1. Denominator is 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1. But we want minus. So minus 6 divided by 6 is -1. and we need minus 11 by 6. Therefore 6 table, 6 2s are 12. Then minus 12 by 6 equal to minus 2. Therefore you have to first up you have to draw a number line, mark it 0, minus 1, minus 2 and divide each segment into 6 equal parts. Then you encircle the required rational number. 0 by 6, 0 has no sign, therefore 0 by 6, left side means minus 1 by 6, minus 2 by 6, like that up to minus 12 by 6. Then you require what are the numbers required? Minus 11 by 6, minus 8 by 6 encircled, and minus 3 by 6. Minus 3 by 6 they may ask, or minus 3 by 6 is exactly equal to what? Minus of minus 3 by 6 means 3 table minus 1 by 2 also. They may ask minus 1 by 2 also. Therefore, now the points P, Q and R, S represent the required rational numbers. Now let us find how many rational numbers between two rational numbers. Here they are asking to find, write 3 rational numbers between minus 2 and 0. Between minus 2 and 0, how many integers are there? Only minus 1. Between minus 2 and 0 means between only. We should not take minus 2 and 0. Therefore, between minus 2 and 0, only one integer is there. But we require 3. But any rational number can be written as equivalent fractions. Minus 2 can be written as minus 2 by 1. 0 can be written as 0 by 1. Then whatever the numbers you want to multiply, you can multiply. Already having the same denominator, multiplication of 10 is very easy. Therefore, I am using 10. Multiplying the numerator and denominator by 10. Minus 20 by 10 and 0 by 10. Between minus 20 and 0, exactly 19 integers are there. But we require any 3. Therefore, choose any 3 rational numbers. Here, this type of questions, answer will not be unique for everyone. Everyone can do according to their wish, they can choose. Instead of I am using 10, somebody can use 100, somebody can use 20 also, multiply. Therefore, answer will not be same for everyone. Whatever the procedure you have to follow. Therefore, between minus 20 and 0, you can choose any 3 numbers. I have taken in order minus 19 by 10, minus 18 by 10, minus 17 by 10. Question is 3. Now let us see rational numbers with different denominator. Find any 10 rational numbers between minus 5 by 6 and 5 by 8. Here you see 6 and 8 are what? Different numbers. Denominators are different. We have to make it same. To how to make it same? By taking LCM. Now we have to find the LCM of the denominators 6 and 8. For LCM is 24, not 48. That is why I told you must be thorough with LCM. Now we have to know the table, 6 table. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 3, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24. In 24, how many 6 are there? 4 6 are. Therefore, to make it 24, we have to multiply the numerator and denominator by 4. Then minus 5 into 4, minus 20. 6 into 4 is 24. Now 8 tables. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24. Then multiply the numerator and denominator by 3. Whatever you do, multiplication in the numerator, same thing do in denominator. Then only value will not change. 5 threes are 15 and 24. Then now denominator has become same. Minus 20 by 24 and 15 by 24. You see, between minus 20 and 15, sufficient natural numbers are there. 10 natural numbers they are asking. Therefore, in order you can write minus 19 by 24, minus 18 by 24. Like that, we can choose any 10 rational numbers. I have taken in order. You can take from 0 also. 0, then 1 by 24, 2 by 24, 3 by 24, like that. Many integers are there, but you can choose any 10. Like that, you have to complete exercise 1.2. Okay, tomorrow you can view the video and complete the exercise 1.2. Next day we will start the chapter 2. Thank you.